Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. This is the drawing. All the dimensions are in millimeter. Let me tell you in detail. First of all, we will make this base. In the base, there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 60 millimeter and the inner circle has a diameter of 32 millimeter. And then we will extrude up to 50 millimeter. Also, there is another slot. The thickness is 15 millimeter. And also in the top face, there are two circles. The circle has a diameter of 20 millimeter and this fillet radius is 20 millimeter. Also, from this center to this center, the distance is 80 millimeter, and from this point to this point, the distance is 50 millimeter. And the total height is 60 millimeter. Also, there is an empty slot. The height of this empty slot is 45 millimeter and the width is 25 millimeter. Now let's start our tutorial. Go to Solidworks, open a new part file, click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now go to right plane and sketch. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. Dia is 60 millimeter. Go to features, extruded boss base. Select your midplane and type 50 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this front face and sketch. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. Dia is 32 millimeter. Go to features, extruded cut. Select here through all. Click OK. Now select right plane and sketch. Draw a center line. Escape. Now go to line command and draw like this. Zoom in. Now come back to this point and this will convert into a curve. Escape. Click OK. Select this point, tangent. Also select this point and tangent. Now select center line, press the control key and select both these points and make symmetric. Click OK. Now select this point, press the control key and select this point and select here merge. Click OK. Now select this outer circle and convert entities. Also you can drag this. Now go to extend entities and click on this line and also this line. Now go to smart dimension. From this point to the center, the distance is 80 millimeter and also this radius is 20 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this line, press the control key and select this circle and make tangent. Similarly, select this line, press the control key and select this circle and make tangent. Click OK. Now select this point, press the Ctrl key and select this line. And select here make coincident. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Go to Smart Dimension. Select this horizontal line. Press the Shift key and select this circle. And type 60. Click OK. Features. Extruded boss base. Zoom out. And first of all, select this top face. Select midplane and type 50 millimeter. Click OK. Now again select the same sketch and extruded boss face, and this time select bottom faces. Select midplane and type 15 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this top face, sketch, draw a circle, put the cursor on this point and you will see the plus icon. Draw from this point, smart dimension, dia is 20 millimeter. Click OK. Now select circle, press the shift key and select this outer circle and make concentric. Click OK. Features, extruded cut, select here through all. Now we want to cut this face, so go to front plane, sketch, choose corner rectangle, start from this line, go to smart dimension, this length is 25 millimeter, and from this point to the outer point the distance is 12.5 millimeter, and this height is 45 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded cut, and select here through all both. See, till now there is only one side selected, so again select through all both, and now see both the corners are selected, so click OK. See, our part is complete. Now assign some material. Here I will choose steel and here satin finish stainless steel. See, this is the final part. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.